Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to take care of battery on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the battery section. Now just click here to the recommended optimization, and to save power of our battery we can here turn on the auto brightness. That will just add to us 38 minutes. You can change the screen refresh rate to the 60 Hz. Also we can change auto screen off time to 30 seconds here. Also we get here, we should turn off the edge lighting, and here we can just turn on or turn off the dark mode here, and here we can also just get the disable background running, to turn off the personal hotspot, turn off all the self-display, prevent notifications from waking screen, turn off GPS, the power draining apps, but all of these options in my case they are just activated, and I just should just turn off this for option, just to save the battery life from 8 hours and 4 minutes. So now just click here to save power. We just stay here only with just dark mode here. You can change it by yourself if you want, and that's it. That's how to save the battery power on our device. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.